But on that morning of that fight with Derek Lewis, I get up to do my shakeout. I go run, hit my pads. As I'm on the treadmill, I'm like, God, I don't feel great this morning. Like, I'm kind of like achy, right? Shannon, I'm running, I sneeze. Bro, when I sneeze, threw my back out. Threw my back out. I sneezed so violently, my back went out. So now I'm stuck hunched over. Mind you, at 1 a.m. tonight, I've got to walk to that octagon and fight Derek Lewis. You can't lose a main event on the day. So then they come and they massage me. They give me a stem cell treatment. 1 month after that, I'm in the gym training. I kick Kane's leg. He checks it. Tingle goes all the way up my leg. Now I'm paralyzed almost. And from that moment on, I just was not the same guy. It took one incident, a sneeze, essentially ended my career because I never want to fight again.